Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now let's take a look at all of these settings around. We start with this button. This is the flash, so here we can turn it on, turn it off, and also turn it on every time we take a picture. As you can see, I'm going to turn it off now because I don't need it right now. And the next one here is the camera timer, so here we can change the delay of taking picture. As you can see, 2, 5 and 10 seconds. I'm going to pick 2 seconds to show you how it works. And now I'm going to take a picture. And as you can see, the picture was taken with 2 seconds delay. The next one here is the camera picture ratio. So here we can manage this, as you can see, 3 and 4, 9 and 16, 1 and 1, and the full. And also here we have access to the best possible quality of this camera to 48 megapixels. And now we go to this button here, so here we can easily change the filters and make our picture more beautiful before we take it. And as you can see here, we have this slider. We can pick the filter and also manage by this slider its intensity, like that. I'm going to go back to the original filter now. And now when we tap on the screen like that, we get access to the exposure compensation settings. So here we can change the bright of our picture and make it more lightful or less lightful. As you can see, this is how it works. And the next one here thing I want to show you is the zoom. So by using 2 fingers we can easily go closer and not close, so close. And also we get access to this slider like that, and can use this like that. And here we have the more zooms with numbers, and also we can pick this like that. And now let's take a look at these settings here. So here we can change the modes of this camera. As you can see here, we have also the access to the video mode and the more modes, more advanced. And now let's take a look at these settings here. Here we have the more advanced camera settings, and as you can see here we have at first intelligent features, then pictures and videos, and also useful features, which I'm going to focus on. The first one here is the Auto HDR. So HDR helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our photos. And this is very useful because it really helps to make our picture just more beautiful, lightful, and I recommend you to keep turning it on. The next one interesting thing here are the grid lines. So by tapping on this we can easily manage this and turn it on and off. And the grid lines, this is how it looks like. These are the lines. This is helpful when we, for example, want to use the rule of thirds in photography. And the next one here are the location tags. So here we can also, by using this button, turn it on and off. The important thing here is to make it work, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and with the location of the device. And also here we have access to the shooting methods. As you can see here, we can manage the volume button and change what it's doing with cooperation with the camera. Take picture or record video, zoom, system volume. I'm going to pick zoom to show you how it works. And as you can see here, we have the volume button, and we can easily zoom by using this. And now I'm going back to these settings and shooting methods. And also here we have access to the floating shutter button. By using this and tapping this button, we can turn it on and off. And as you can see on the camera screen, it generates as this button, and when we tap on this we can easily do the picture just by one click. And also here we have the watermark, so here we can turn it on and off easily, and also manage this and use this like that. And as you can see here, we have also the preview of our picture with the watermark. And after turn it on all of these settings, we might want to go back to the original settings. So this is the button to do it, and here we can reset settings easily by 2 taps. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.